Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to recover your crashed WordPress site. We will be changing the website from this error screen to this brand new working website on the front end, and this view on the WordPress backend. Without further ado, let's get to it. For more detailed explanation, read blog in the description link. When the WordPress site crashes, there is this error code as displayed here. Yours may be different, don't worry. There is a step-by-step tutorial in the link description that would cover everything you need to know on how to recover your WordPress site. This error appears both on the front end of your website that is visible to your visitors and back end of your WordPress site. All the errors as a result of corrupt WordPress folder or files when an automatic update went wrong. It could also be a plugin update that went wrong. Use the following steps. 1. Open the cPanel and locate the public_HTML folder. 2. Deactivate the plugins by renaming the plugin folder. Go to your WP_content folder on the public_HTML in the cPanel. Open this WP_content folder. Locate and rename the plugin folder. Create a new folder and name it temp_folder. Move every folder or file into the temporary folder except the WP_content folder. Download WordPress and unzip it onto your PC. Make sure you delete or remove the WP_content folder on this local host on your PC. Open the FileZilla app and enter the details that is required to connect to your website cPanel. Enter your website name or IP address, the cPanel username, password, and the port is usually 21. Click Auto Connect and after, copy the files into the public_HTML folder. After the public_HTML folder would look like this. Now, refresh your website page. On refreshing the page, you will notice the site is still broken. But this time, with fewer error codes. This is a good sign. It shows progress has been made. This error points that the WordFence plugin installed on the website has issues and this has to be resolved. All folders, files, and PHP trees associated with WordFence should be sorted out and removed. See the blog post in the description link on how to remove WordFence plugin trees on admin. Next is to delete the WordFence folder in the plugin folder. Head over to plugins on the WP_contents and click on plugins. Scroll down to locate the WordFence folder here and delete it. Select and see it delete at the top. To delete the rest of the code, you need to show hidden files. Click Settings and check Show Hidden Files. Search the name of the file again. In our case, we are looking for the WordFence file named user.ini. Inside this file opened in UTF-8 we comment out the code that said auto_prepend_file. Comment out the same line of code as earlier and save the file.
Once this is done, refresh your website and check if the error still exists.
Go to your site name /wp-admin and log back in. As shown here, the error has disappeared and we can log in successfully. Now check for your plugins and remember they were deactivated earlier at the cPanel end. There are no plugins yet, so head back to cPanel and rename your plugin folder. Command can refresh this page and find all your plugins still intact except for the WordFence plugin, which was deleted. This also shows the latest install of WordPress. You can also access the front end of the website just like users/visitors see your website. Enter your website address and hit enter. Welcome back to this brand new recovered working site. This all took less than 7 minutes. Thank you for staying tuned in until the end. Remember to like, subscribe and share this video if you like it. See you on the next video.